Hey there, car enthusiasts! Ever wondered what's going on inside your car's engine? Let me take you on a journey under the hood and unravel the magic of how a car engine works. First up, let's meet the star of the show, the internal combustion engine. This powerhouse burns fuel to create energy. And it's this energy that gets your car moving. Ready for some action? Let me break down the four-stroke cycle for you. Picture this. Step 1, intake. A valve opens, and the piston slides down, pulling in a mix of air and fuel. Then comes compression. The piston moves back up, squeezing that mixture real tight. Now, for the big bang, the power stroke. A spark plug ignites the mix, causing a mini explosion that sends the piston racing down again. Finally, the exhaust stroke. The piston moves up one last time, shoving the burnt gases out through the exhaust valve. And just like that, the cycle repeats over and over. But how does this make your car move? Well, the piston's motion turns the crankshaft, which then sends power through the transmission to the wheels. It's teamwork at its finest, all working together to propel you forward. So next time you press the gas pedal, remember it's a tiny explosion party under the hood that's getting you where you need to go. Thanks for tuning in. Love what you see? Hit subscribe and join me for more thrilling car adventures.